Scan this. Sophie is here. Let's level up. Calculus problems involving units can be tricky, but we can solve this one quickly by breaking down the derivative definition into 3 very simple manageable steps. We are given a function f of v where v is velocity in miles per hour and the output f of v is time units. The derivative f prime of v represents the rate of change of the output with respect to the input. Therefore, its units are simply the output units divided by input. Substituting our known units, we get hours divided by miles per hour. This simplifies to hours per mph, which matches our final option. You got this. Let us go. Smart move. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sophie. Don't flip the ratio. Always divide the output units by the input units for accuracy.